Today in this video, I'll show you how can you create a WhatsApp link both from the normal WhatsApp app and from the WhatsApp Business app. So let's jump right into it. We'll start from the WhatsApp Business app, so go ahead and open it. And then from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. You'll get this menu. Go ahead and tap on Business Tools. And then from here, go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And then tap on Short Link. You'll find your link at the top right here. You can even share it via social media apps or every app for that matter. Or you can even tap on View QR code and everyone can scan it from here. Now, if you want to create a link from a normal WhatsApp app, you need to go to your browser. And we'll use this website that is respond.io. Open it, create an account, and then tap on Connect Channel. From here, choose WhatsApp Business API. And then connect your Facebook account right here. And you can create your account and even your QR code from here. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.